Harry from Letter Pelaez, and today I'll be teaching you how to survive an earthquake. First, if there is a warning, make sure to put all fragile things on the ground or on a lower bookshelf, and then those heavy things like air conditioners, refrigerators, and TVs. Make sure to cover them up and put them on the ground so they don't get broken or destroy anything when they fall. Next, prepare. Next, before the earthquake even starts, make sure to contact family and friends and make an escape plan after the earthquake ends. But make sure to also make another plan if any of you guys get separated. But if there's no warning and you are somewhere else, make sure to do the drop, cover, and roll. First, we're going to have to drop on the ground, then cover your head with one of your hands, and then go under, and then after that, make sure to go under something like a chair or table, and make sure to hold on to it, and if it moves, you must move with it too. And make sure to cover your head with something just in case the top of the chair or table or anything else gets broken. Anyways, after that, after the earthquake ends, you're going to want to leave that place. And then check if anything else got destroyed. And then, if possible, make sure to help anyone in need. Thank you for watching.